IC, just like I want to remove this IC. Okay, so this one's a 8-leg IC. Okay, so first removing by removing this IC, so first we have to apply the flux. Okay, so like this we can apply the flux. Okay, then after applying flux we have to take the blower machine. Okay, and so this one's a heat 400. Okay, air 5 to 6. Okay, just wait for a few seconds, so that when the temperature will come, then we have to start the heating. Okay, then just like if I want to remove this, just we have to give the heat. Okay, so surrounding like this we have to heat the IC. Whenever it will be melt, automatically it will be removed. Okay, then after removing this IC, so we can take the lead wire and de-soldering wire. Okay, so see here, so first we have to apply the flux, then take this de-soldering wire and clean these balls. Okay, so here IC pad is there, we have to clean this IC pad. Okay, so properly we have to clean the IC pad. After cleaning, again you have to apply the flux. Okay, the next one, this is the lead wire. Take this lead wire and touch here. Okay, touch on the iron rod. Okay, and here this is the small legs are there, we have to create this small balls here. Okay, small balls we have to create like this. Okay, and each and every ball should be separate. Okay, so like this we have to create the balls. Okay, now I want to insert the IC. So see here, in this IC there is a small dot will be there. Okay, so here given small dot, and in this motherboard, so here also you can find out white marking. Okay, so means this dot and marking we have to match. Okay, so we can match this dot and marking. So apply little bit flux. Okay, then we have to match this one. Okay, hold by the tweezer again. So now for installing component, heat should be same, then decrease the air. Okay, and then after we can give the heat. Okay, by tweezer we have to adjust the component. Okay, whenever it will be made, automatically it will be connected. Okay, so like this we have to solder. Okay, so this is the process. Again you have to take the thinner. Okay, then we can use this. Okay, so this type we can install the IC.